Hello and welcome to STACKERSFX SNAPS 2.1 Forex Trading Strategy and System. In this video I'm going to describe and overview this system to you so you get a better picture of what it can do. This system is based off of the Stackers method, and we've created a new method to enable us to increase our cash flow, to be able to take more pips off the table, and to do so more frequently, and to be able to ring the register more frequently. This is another system for those of you who look to get a boost of confidence. Particularly as a starter, you want to be able to get confirmation. You don't really want to wait for months and months. This plus the mod 1 and 2 day trading systems is good for you to consider. This is an overnight based system. We're trading the day bars, so you can trade in 5 minutes. As soon as the next day bar is established, then you can set your trades and be in position. Let's look here, and here's a compounding. Now let's look at the performance. Give you a picture of how the system works. Now this is 2013, okay, but with the method that we use here, price action speed does matter some, but not much anymore. Okay, so we've kind of taken the whole price action, needing a fast market equation out of the picture, and you can see the average gain, and you can see it only goes so high, and that's on purpose. Okay, we have altered the stackers range so we can hit more high probability wins. All right, so we can take the pips and cash out. So anyways, 2013, and this is just 1 year, and you can see the trades. You can do them 5 minutes a night. Okay, and this system has been going on, particularly in stocks, for we've been employing this system for the past 5-6 years. So it's the same thing over and over. We're used to it. May look new to it's new to you, I'm sure, unless you've seen our other Stackers products. But it's really neat. It works out well. You have something to do pretty much each night. You have a price target set, so once you set it, it's like a set and forget, but you'll just want to keep on top of your next entry. Okay, so there's a moderate amount of action. I know a lot of you out there, you want to have, you don't want to get bored, you want to have some action. And you can see here, and this is based off of the exact system. Okay, so this is not based off of my performance of it. These are the exact system rules, entries and exits. We'll skewed posted here just to kind of protect the system some. But anyways, point is that if you trade the system as the rules go, you could have had similar results. All right, so just look. You don't see very many losses. All right, you have stop losses set. You see some, but anyways, they all see how things stack up. Yes, when the market is going faster and it's really swinging hard, then yeah, you'll be able to pop out a chain of profits more quickly. Okay, and that's great. But it doesn't. We don't need trending markets. That's the great thing about the system. You don't need trending markets. You don't need fast markets. You don't need slow markets. You don't need, you can trade sideways markets too. All right, so for a very slow 2013, this is a very nice total, okay, on the EUR USD. All right, and it may not be that dramatic, 2,400 pips, but here we go, 70% winning right there. It's pretty, that's historically what this system does, with stocks. between usually between 70 and 85% winning, which is very good. And so anyways, yeah, this is a really good system. So you definitely want to employ this as well. And it should take the average time to hit your trade results, stop out or profit. Usually it could go 1 day, it could go 5 or 6 days, maybe up to. Usually maybe about 3 or 4 days. Anyway, so you can see, just did a little table here on this sales page, just for fun. Okay, so let's just say you average, this 2,400 pips a year. Okay, with standard margin on one lot, that's $24,390 in profit. Okay, usually most brokers, one lot will take what, $1,000 in margin, $1,000 in margin. Of course, USA has its own margin rules, and so, anyways, that's a really great return. Now, of course, you're not going to just only put $1,000 in your account and trade one lot, right? You got to have a little bit of a position sizing, money management. And we teach you the money management, position sizing and system in the course, okay? So, anyways, we teach you we teach you how to trade it as a system. I forgot to mention that on some of the other videos, but we teach you how to trade as a system, okay? We teach you the right mindset, so you can put yourself in position to succeed. We teach you about the pitfalls to avoid, okay? And how to just get to the bottom line, to just super simply trading this system. How long will it take to learn? A couple hours. You'll be able to get this going on pretty quickly. Okay, you'll be, in my opinion, you should get the course and be able to start trading the next day. This is that type of system where you can do that. So you can see the compounding, okay. Actually, we didn't compound it. We just added one more contract each year. All right. So it's not real compounded, or otherwise we would have more. Total profit combined, 1.3 million. But the thing is that this is a super conservative model, simplistic model. But the thing is that you need to get started in order to get your compounding going. All right. To speak from my experience and all sorts of other people's experiences. In order, don't follow anyone else except if you want to get wealthy, follow the wealthy. Okay, do what the wealthy do, and they get started, and they start. Whether they start with the tiniest position size, they get started. They keep it simple, and they look to net out. They don't look for a miracle. They look to net out and just compound that over time. All right. So, anyways, for more information, contact us. There should be an opt-in form on this site pretty soon where you can opt in specifically for information on SNAPS 2.1. This is a great little system. You'll definitely want to be running this, or have someone else run it for you, whatever. You can see how many trades there were in a year. It's not too bad, but it's pretty fun. That's the nice thing about it. It's a fun trading system. You can also use it as a strategy. This probably should be named system, but use it as a strategy where you can see, let's say the market is starting to swing, and we'll explain this in the course more, but let's say the market's starting to get some momentum, hard charging in one direction. Well, you could just hop in and just pop, snap, take off those profits, okay, in a very measured, specific way that's very friendly to the Forex markets, okay, in that it works well with the way Forex or most pairs behave. All right, price action wise, price movement behavior. All right, so contact us if you have any questions, but otherwise just get started. Okay, you can get it today and start trading it tomorrow. That's about it. Thanks.